Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, The Digitex. In this video, let's learn how to generate PPT using ChatGPT. Did you know you can create a professional PowerPoint presentation in minutes using ChatGPT? No more starting at blank slides. Let me show you how to turn your ideas into PPT effortlessly. Open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT in your browser or app and log in. You can use it on web or mobile. Give a clear prompt to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT exactly what kind of PPT you want. ChatGPT will generate slide titles and bullet points for you. Review them carefully. This is your chance to tweak the flow and add your personal touch. Example: I have given the prompt, create the PPT for the demo. What is the difference between Java and Python? I have provided my inputs to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will analyze and provide the PPT. Once PPT is available, download to your local device. I have downloaded the PPT with 6 slides as shown in this video. ChatGPT will generate slide titles, bullet points, introduction, and conclusion. You can also ask for short points, simple language, refine the content once downloaded. If needed, you ask ChatGPT to simplify the slides, add examples to PPT, and modify the text. Make it suitable for students or office presentation. Copy content to PowerPoint. Now open Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides. Copy and paste each slide's content into your own presentation. Add images and animations if required. Then add simple animations to make slides engaging. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have created a complete PowerPoint using ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the Digitex, and share this video with friends who struggle with presentations. See you in the next video. Thank you.